If you are dealing with stubborn smells in your footwear, you don't need harsh chemicals or artificial fragrances to mask the problem. This is a Coffee Ground Shoe Deodorizer, and it works as a natural odor absorber. The primary active ingredient is simply clean, spent coffee grounds. You can collect these directly from your home kitchen or a local coffee shop, as long as you ensure they are completely free from contamination. Looking at the common uses section here, you can see these pouches are versatile. You can place them inside sneakers and boots, drop them into a gym bag with your sports gear, or keep them in a shoe cabinet and storage locker. By drying out daily organic waste, you solve a universal household problem while turning what would be trash into a functional, eco-friendly commodity. This formulation table details a 1 kilogram batch. 950 grams is sieved spent coffee grounds. To handle smells, add 30 grams of activated charcoal and 15 grams of baking soda to neutralize odors. Optionally, include 5 grams of essential oil for fragrance and antibacterial properties. Checking the basic equipment grid, the required tools are highly accessible. You need a standard mixing bowl, a digital weighing scale, measuring spoons, a fine sieve, a spatula, and your empty packaging bags. There are no industrial machines or specialized tools required. You can begin manufacturing this premium product immediately using standard kitchen equipment. Step 1 of the process is straightforward. Gather your clean, used coffee grounds into a central mixing bowl to begin processing. Looking at Step 2 on the process chart, we hit the most critical phase. You must spread the grounds on a tray and sun-dry or oven-dry them until they are completely moisture-free. Any remaining moisture will breed mold and spoil the entire batch. In Step 3, you run the dried grounds through your sieve. This removes large particles and clumps, giving you a fine, uniform texture that maximizes the surface area for catching odors. For Step 4, you take out your digital scale and accurately measure the coffee, charcoal, and baking soda to perfectly match the formulation table. The long-term effectiveness and shelf life of your deodorizer rely entirely on how rigorously you execute these initial drying and sieving steps. Moving to Step 5 on the chart, combine your measured coffee, charcoal, baking soda, and any essential oils in the bowl. Mix everything thoroughly until the blend is perfectly homogeneous. In Step 6, scoop the final mixture into your pouches. Do not overfill them. You must leave enough empty space at the top so the bag can be tightly drawn and tied. Step 7 is finishing the unit. Securely tie the pouch, apply any branding labels you want to use, and the product is ready to be placed inside a shoe to absorb odors. This section highlights several packaging options that suit this product. You can use standard cotton drawstring bags, rustic burlap pouches with tags, non-woven bags, or even small reusable jars with airtight lids. Through a simple mixing and bagging routine, you can take wet coffee waste and assemble it into a highly presentable retail good. This costing example breaks down the 1 kilogram batch. Mixing 1,000 grams produces 20 50-gram pouches, keeping costs efficient. The cost to produce 1 pouch is 7 pesos and 62 centavos. Selling between 20 and 25 pesos offers massive profit margins. Safety and regulatory notes establish strict commercial guidelines. Use food-grade ingredients and store finished pouches in cool, dry places. Instruct users to replace the pouch every 2 to 4 weeks, and check local regulations regarding product claims. With near zero raw material costs, massive profit margins, and a monthly replacement cycle, this formula becomes a highly scalable, sustainable home business. You can start preparing for your first test batch today simply by saving your daily coffee waste instead of throwing it out. To bypass the sourcing phase entirely, reach out to the contact on screen to order complete product kits and starter materials. You now have the skills to conquer shoe odors. Next, we will take this exact upcycling technique and expand it to target larger spaces.